What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here. So I'm here at a Target on an early Sunday morning, and surprise, surprise, nothing on the pegs, nothing new on the 5-packs, same old same on the MV premium cars here. I'm still waiting on the new wave of the Flying Customs. You can see the same ones are still here. And over here, we have the same cars that have been here for a while. Exact same ones. It seems like the one that everyone wants is the Nissan Skyline. These have been hanging here for quite some time. Here we have these 2-packs. I already picked up one of these. Don't need any more. Here they have the border sets. Pretty cool. Here they have the Mercedes set. Not interested in that one. Another Mercedes set and another Borla set. Here we have some Hot Wheels Mario Kart set, 4-pack, single packs. We have these here. These have been here for quite some time as well. Hot Wheels Pop Culture, Masters of the Universe. We have some color shifters. Let's take a look here. Okay. Hot Wheels Super Rigs. Here they have the Cybertruck RC car. Pretty cool. We have the glow-in-the-dark monster trucks. Yeah. All the same. We have some Ninja Turtles monster trucks. And let's see. Here we have some more Hot Wheels monster trucks. Here we have some Monster Jam color changers. Pretty cool. This one's actually pretty cool. Really digging that one. Let's see, what do we have over here? Let's see. Check this one out, guys. This is Bigfoot versus Snakebite. Pretty cool. Check this one out, guys. This set is pretty cool. So let's see here. Here we have the Gravedigger. Pretty cool. There we go. Check this one out. This one's interesting. Here's El Toro Loco. Alright, guys, so over here we have some Johnny Lightning. Check this out. Pretty cool. 1982 Chevy Camaro. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Here we have the 1999 Acura Integra. Very cool. Check this one out. Speed Racer. There we have this one here. Pretty cool. Very cool. This is a cool 1965 Pontiac GTO. Here we have the 007, the Aston Martin DB5. Pretty cool. Oh, this one's sweet, man. This one's really cool. 1971 Ford Torino Cobra. This one is sweet, man. Gonna take that one as well. Check this one out, guys. 1971 AMC Javelin AMX. And let's see, what do we have here? 1971, a black GSX. I really love the olive green color on this. Very, very cool. Definitely gonna take that one. And last but not least, they have the 1971 Chevy Chevelle SS 454. This one is pretty clean as well, man. Can't pass this one up, man. Really cool. All right, guys. So here we have some more Monster Jam trucks. What's up guys, your boy Big A here. So I'm here at an Albertsons, and as you can see, looks like they stocked up on the Hot Wheels. Although, it looks like somebody was already here. But let's look anyways. Hopefully we get lucky. You never know guys. That's how I found that Super the other day. The Corvette. Okay, some more props. Oops. Here's a cool gasser. Don't mind taking that one. I'll pick that one up later. Ooh, cool Subi. Take that one. For the Asada. Alright. Yeah, so this is supposed to be the Super. This is the one I found on that shipper a few weeks ago. So, like I said guys, never give up. If it looks like somebody already went through the bags or the shippers or what have you, always look through it because you never know. So sometimes you find some pretty cool errors too. This is supposed to be a regular treasure hunt. This one is not it. And I'll pick up after myself. Do not worry guys. Do not worry. Let's see. Here's another gasser. I don't mind taking that one. A buddy of mine loves gassers. So he asked me as a favor is if I could pick up as many gassers for him as possible. He likes to customize them and stuff. So I'll help him out as best I can. Nice. Definitely can't pass up on this one. Let's see. Another gasser. Alright guys, looks like that's pretty much it. Gonna walk around the store, see if they have any more Hot Wheels. Alright guys, so I came across this little section here, and looks like they have some Matchbox moving parts. This one's pretty cool. 2000 Nissan Xterra. Oops, pick that up in a second. This one's interesting. Here we have some Matchbox working rigs. Nothing new here. These are pretty cool. Check out this cool little jet fighter here. No Mustang Hunter will probably love this one. If you guys don't know who the Mustang Hunter is, he's in the Air Force, so he is probably into these fighter jets as well. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see what they have over here. Well, these are cool. I haven't seen these before. Check this out, guys. Hot Wheels X-Blade. Let's see. Matchbox Top Gun 5-pack. Here we have some Hot Wheels 5-packs. Nothing interesting. Hot Wheels Mario Kart. They have these Jurassic World figurines here. Let's see. They have some more motorcycles down here. Hot Wheels Forenzo. Interesting. Here they have the Rolling Thunder. And here's another Forenzo. And that's going to be pretty much it, guys. What's up, guys? So I'm here at a Kroger, and look what I found. Looks like it's a fresh dump in. So without further ado, let's get started. Right off the bat, guys. Nice 1998 Subaru Impreza. Nice. Definitely going to take that one. There's a Mercury Cougar. Pretty cool. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna try to hurry, guys, because there's a lot of people coming in. Pretty cool. Here's a cool Mario. Here's the regular 2019 Audi Spider, which I found a few weeks ago. Pretty cool. It's a regular one, but it's cool. Nice, guys. Check out these two Nissan Silvias. Awesome. Let's see. Two more Audis. Cool. Here's another Mario Kart. There's a couple of Lamborghinis. Very cool. Check these out, guys. Very cool. Definitely going to take the 67 Camaro. Awesome. This is the Liberty Walk Silhouette GT Nissan 35 GT RR. Very cool. And another one. Don't mind if I do. These here. These four there. Man, this thing is loaded with these Liberty Walks. Pretty cool. I got those. Cool. Here's a Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. Very cool. Check that out. Cool, I already have those. Here's another Nissan Leaf. Very cool. Check those out. Nice. I really love the recolor of the 2018 Custom Ford Mustang GT. It's really cool. Let's see. This Porsche Taycan Turbo S is really cool. I'm really digging the color. And here's another Mercedes and Speed Driver. Those right there. These here. These here, guys. Better hurry, guys. I only came here to get some ice cream and I came across this little dumpling, so. Cool. Cool. Another Nissan Leaf. Another Nissan Leaf. Should have grabbed the card, man. Nice. Definitely gonna take that one. There's a cool Bronco. Love that recolor in a nice orange. That's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna clean this up and then I'll show you what I picked up when I get home. What's up guys? So I'm back home and without further ado, I'm gonna show you what I found. First one is this awesome LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR VER2. This one I did not have, so I'm happy I found it. I also picked up this awesome AMC Rebel machine. Check this out, guys. Pretty cool. I also picked up this awesome 67 Camaro in gold with the worldwide tampos. Check that out, guys. This thing is sweet, man. I also picked up this cool 1998 Subaru Impreza. Very cool. Now this is the third recolor I've seen. The first one I saw was kind of like in burgundy. Then it came out in a blue color. Now we have it in this cool dark gray color. Pretty cool. Love the detail on this casting. Check that out. Very, very nice. I also picked up this awesome 2019 Audi R8 Spyder. Unfortunately, it's not the Super Treasure Hunt, but it's still a very nice casting. I also picked up this awesome LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. And this one's very cool. This one has kind of like a camouflage theme. Very cool. And last but not least, picked up this Nissan Silvia S13. I know I've shown this one to you before, but I love this casting. I decided to pick another one up so that I could swap out the wheels. In my personal opinion, that's pretty much all it needs. As you can see, the taillight detail is well done. It also has the cool Nissan emblem right there. Very nice. And there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Happy hunting. Take care. God bless. Deuces.